Hello, I'm Junaid Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the US economy and job market continue to strengthen. The Federal Reserve has released a statement indicating it's leaving the door open for a possible interest rate hike in September. It says the economy has overcome a first quarter slowdown and is expanding moderately despite a downturn in the energy sector and headwinds from overseas. It says there have also been solid job gains in recent months. Staying in the US, new data reveals house sales dipped in June after 5 consecutive months of increases. However, they still remain near May's levels, which were the highest in over 9 years. The median house price for 2015 is expected to increase by around 7% to nearly 333,000 New Zealand dollars. This would match the record high set in the US in 2006. Russia's central bank has halted daily purchases of foreign currency in an attempt to stop a week-long slide of the ruble that has raised fears of a second currency collapse in a year. This week's drop threatens to undo months of recovery since an unprecedented fall over the Russian winter. Chinese authorities are investigating Tuesday morning's historically sharp dive in the markets. They've previously said malicious short sellers will be punished. The head of the IMF backs the Chinese government's efforts to contain the stock market sell-off. She says China's economy is resilient and the turbulence is partly a reflection of an immature market. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year benchmark is up to 2.29%. The price of oil remains very low. The US benchmark price is at $49 a barrel and Brent crude is at $53 a barrel, basically unchanged from the past couple of days. The gold price remains at $1,097 an ounce as demand is at a 6-year low. The New Zealand dollar is at a similar level as it was this time yesterday. It's back at 66.7 US cents after strengthening slightly in the lead up to the Fed's announcement overnight. The dollar's at 91.4 Australian cents and at 60.6 euro cents. The TWI is at 71.7. I'm Junaid Tibshirani and that was 90 at 9 brought to you by interest.co.nz.